guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna make a very short and quick vlog about Nintendo Switch. So for all those people like me who just recently owned the Nintendo Switch, you'll probably think, how in the world will you be able to set this up as a tabletop? So at first, some people like me would probably do it this way. So you see this little thing, this is the stand, and that's my husband walking away. And so you'd probably be like, you see this space and you would want to just go ahead and, you know, try to check if this will come off, but sometimes, actually most of the times, it won't. So what you have to do, this is the trick. So it's either you go to the very end or the other end, and then just use your fingernail to just go ahead and pick this up. So this part, go to the very end, there you go. So it will snap off, and this is where you can place the micro SD for you if you would like to go ahead and save some games. And so what you can do now that it's already snapped out, you just go ahead and so now that you can use it like an iPad or a regular tablet, do it like that. And if you want to play 2 players, you just need to push the button at the back so you can release it, this one, and then get the other stuff, switch it, put it in, so you'll have 2 active controllers. But if you're going to just play alone, just take this controller, switch it in, there you go. Then you have your 1 controller. There you go. So you can just leave it like that and push this 2. There you go. And if ever you want to go back to like carrying it, there's a button at the back. Don't forget to push it so you can release the consoles, and then snap that back in, and you're all set. There you go. So I'll start playing Animal Crossing. So let's go ahead and let's just say you're already here and you want to take pictures. You can push this button so it automatically captures your screenshot. So if you want to go home to the main menu, just press the home button, and then whenever you want to switch games, you would want to close the application first. So X, close the software, close. So once it's closed, you can go right ahead and pick which games you want. And if you do have the card game, you have to change it from here. So from this, so you just have to push it until it automatically pops up. Then you can change it. So that's all for today, guys. So hopefully you like this very quick vlog about Nintendo Switch. So the tips and tricks, or the basic use of, or basic functions of each controller, and how to be able to snap this up. So hopefully you like this vlog, and please don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified every time you upload a new vlog. So till next time, guys, I'm gonna play Animal Crossing now. Bye!